Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to Twilio for SMS lead alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Integrations. Search for Twilio in the integration options. Click on the Twilio integration to open its settings. You will need your Twilio account SID and auth token. Next, log in to your Twilio account. Find your account SID and auth token on the dashboard. Copy these values to use in Pipedrive. Return to Pipedrive and paste your account SID and auth token in the designated fields. Next, input your Twilio phone number in the required field. This is the number from which your SMS alerts will be sent. After entering the information, click on Connect. Once connected, configure your SMS alert settings. Decide which conditions will trigger an SMS alert. You can set alerts for new leads or updates to existing ones. Test the integration to ensure it's working properly. Create a test lead in Pipedrive. Verify if you receive the SMS alert on your Twilio number. If successful, your connection is set up. Now, you can manage your lead alerts efficiently through SMS. This setup will help you stay informed about your leads in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.